Hey y'all, today I want to take you on a journey of pride and self-determination. We're diving into the Black Power movement, a seismic shift in the quest for civil rights that reverberated through the 1960s and 70s. Now, when we talk about Black Power, we're talking about more than just a slogan. It was a call to action, a declaration that said, we are worthy, we are proud, we will define our own destiny. The Black Power movement rose from the ashes of frustration with the slow progress of the civil rights movement. Folks were tired of waiting for equality, tired of asking for basic human rights, and so they took matters into their own hands. It all kicked off in 1966 when Stokely Carmichael, the fiery leader of the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee, stepped up and declared Black Power. That moment electrified the nation. Carmichael's cry was a call for self-reliance and political power. It was about embracing Black culture and rejecting the notion that Black was anything but beautiful. It was about creating our own institutions and lifting up our communities from within. Groups like the Black Panther Party emerged with leaders like Huey Newton and Bobby Seale at the helm. They were bold, unapologetic, and ready to protect their people by any means necessary. The Panthers weren't just about armed resistance, though they set up free breakfast programs for kids' health clinics and educational initiatives. They were building a future one block at a time. And let's not forget the cultural renaissance that came along with it. Artists, musicians, and writers all embraced the Black Power ethos. Think of James Brown belting out, "Say it loud, I'm Black and I'm proud." That wasn't just a song, it was an anthem, a rallying cry that echoed through the streets and into the hearts of millions. The Black Power movement wasn't without its controversy, and it faced fierce opposition, but it ignited a flame that still burns bright today. It reminded the world that Black lives, Black culture, and Black voices matter. So next time you hear the words Black Power, remember the courage, pride, and self-determination behind them. Remember the men and women who stood tall-faced adversity and declared that they would shape their own destiny. Thanks for watching, and keep the spirit of pride and self-determination alive. Until next time, stay curious.